A long time ago, in a village, there used to live a farmer. Due to his hard work, the farmer had collected a lot of wealth. He had 3 sons, but all the 3 were very lazy. The farmer wanted all his sons to be hard-working like him. But his sons never used to work. They would sleep the whole day long. The farmer was quite worried due to this. He was tired of explaining to his sons repeatedly.
You wake up early and go and work in the farms.
But, Father, what is the need for us to work? All the wealth that you have is ultimately ours.
Yes, father. Work is meant for poor people and we are rich. And why do rich people need to work? My sons, if you all don't work, then the wealth that I have accumulated by working hard will end one day.
How will it end, Father? If it would have been less, then it might have ended. But you have accumulated lot of wealth and that can't just end like that. You are just trying to frighten us. Let's go, brothers.
The sons did not pay heed to their father's words and went away from there. After that day also, the father tried many times to make his sons understand, but every time his efforts would fail. They would simply not listen to him. They would always spend their father's money. The farmer was completely fed up with his sons. Time passed. Slowly, the farmer started getting old. One day, the farmer fell sick, and his sickness started increasing. He started worrying more about his sons. He started thinking, when I will be gone, then what will happen to my sons? Then a thought came to his mind. The farmer called his 3 sons and said,
Listen to me very carefully. My life is going to end very soon. But before dying, I want to tell you a secret.
What is the secret, Father?
My sons, in our farms there is a treasure that I have buried. There is a treasure buried in the farms? What are you saying, father? Yes, children. I am telling you the truth.
So tell us, Father, on which farm and what is the exact location of the treasure?
My son, due to my age and sickness, I am unable to remember. You all do one thing. Each of you start digging one farm turn by turn. Wherever it is buried, you will find it eventually. But it is a fact that you will get a lot of money from there.
On listening to their father, all the 3 sons were very happy and talking among themselves started walking towards their farms.
After our father passes away, we still won't have to work and we will spend the rest of our lives comfortably.
Yes, brother, you are absolutely right.
The farmer's sons reached the farm and started digging. They digged the farm for a very long time. But they did not find any treasure.
Hey, there is no treasure buried here?
Come on, let's go and ask Father that where is the treasure?
As they did not find any treasure, they went back to their father and said to him,
Father, we didn't find any treasure. Please try to remember and tell us in which farm have you buried the treasure.
Well, I can't remember that, my sons. But the only thing I remember is I have hidden it in one of our farms. But don't worry, you all go and start digging another farm. If you continue digging, then one or the other day you will surely find a treasure.
After this, all the 3 sons once again went to dig the farms. In a few days, they dug up all their farms, but they did not find any treasure. In the end, they went back to their father dejectedly and said to their father,
Father, we have dug up all the farms, but we did not find any treasure. Don't worry at all. You will all surely find the treasure. The 3 of you have dug the farms very well. So come on now, let's sow seeds in them.
The farmer's sons earnestly sowed the seeds. That year it rained very well. After a few months, the crop was ready for harvesting. When the farmer saw his farm swaying with the crops, he happily told his sons,
This is your true treasure. I was talking about this treasure only. If all three of you continue working hard like this, then you will find this treasure every year.
All the three sons understood what their father was saying and promised him that all three of them will work hard in the future also, and every year will get treasure from their farms. Moral: the fruits of hard work are always sweet.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel now. And in order to see new videos, press the bell icon. Please leave a comment on our YouTube videos, like our videos, and share them with your friends.